All right, so we're having a heat wave out here, as you can tell. It's not too cold out. It's like 27 degrees, but tonight it's supposed to get down in the negative temps, and I got to work tomorrow, so we're going to take advantage of today. It's about 1 o'clock. Sun's been setting about 4:45 every day, so gives me enough usable light for a few hours anyway. But we're gonna go set up where I normally do. My goal since I've been here, aside from photographing elk, I've been obsessed with getting a bobcat photo and a red fox photo. I've seen a red fox, but I haven't got my camera on one. As far as bobcats go, they've been spotted in town around Estes Lake, but I've seen tracks over where I'm gonna go tonight. So this is the YMCA campus in Estes Park, and literally I'm like a 15-20 minute walk to Rocky Mountain National Park. We're gonna be just on the border of the park where I'm gonna set up today, but there's some stables over here, and just beyond those stables there's a trailhead to Sprague Lake, and there's a nice open field there. I've photographed deer there before, turkeys, and I have also seen those bobcat tracks over there. So we're gonna try to not get too frozen, see how long I can make it out sitting still. But I got this waterproof case for my camera now, so I can sit out and shit like this and not worry about my camera fucking up. And hopefully some critters of some sort will walk through my path tonight, and when we get a couple shots of them.
Well, I saw you going, and I thought I'd just...
Yeah, for sure. So you see a coyote right now?
Yeah, like, you just...
Or did I scare him off?
There it is. Its head just popped up.
Where are you looking at?
Okay, just a sec. Let me get something.
I got my binoculars in my pack.
Yeah, I've got a pair of binoculars in here, too.
I just have to... If you got yours handy, I won't dig mine out.
Okay, you see the dead branches behind?
I do, yeah.
Okay, it's gonna, every once in a while, there, see its head just popped up?
Yep, I saw him. Nice
Okay.
eyes.
That's...
All right,
And
well,
that's got to be where the carcass
I'm gonna
is
try
at.
to sneak up in this branch of trees right here,
Yeah.
and that's close enough to where I can get a shot next time he pokes his up. I just see
Yeah.
him right there. Yep.
Or you could...
So he's feeding on that carcass right now.
I think he's feeding on it right now.
Yep, there's his ears right there.
And even if you got over to this fence,
Actually,
and if you could get up behind that brown barricade over here, that deal.
the problem is the grass is so tall. Maybe I should go over behind these rocks over here.
Yeah.
I can get a clear view
You
of
probably
them.
would have a better shot.
And you see those crows
Yeah.
feeding on it too. I'm sure the
Yeah.
magpies are going nuts over there as well.
When we came back from lunch, that was the only thing out there was there were three or four magpies out there.
Yeah.
But I'm sure he's feeding on it right now.
Nice. Yeah, he's for sure. I'm gonna
Okay.
set up right all around these rocks, I think,
Yeah.
over here and try to get a nice shot of him.
Yeah, well, with what you got there, you're going to get a good
I just
shot.
don't want to scare him off. I mean, he's
Yeah.
feeding, so he's gonna be pretty content, but I just don't want him to get jumpy and push up. But I'll walk a long loop around here and see if I can get close. I can get pretty damn far away with
Yeah,
this one.
I'm sure
so.
you can.
They'll be there for a while.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
If you get some good pictures, we want to see them.
I'll come back and I'll show you guys. Well, I'll probably be here till sunset anyway. But if I'll see you at lunchtime, and I'll show you the shots.
Okay.
It's hard to see with all this damn snow, and there's some brush where that deer is actually laying. But I could see that coyote's ears poke up in between taking bites of that thing. This gives me a little bit of elevation. I might be able to see down there. Oh, there he is. I see him. Took up. He's right there. Oh, shit. Damn it. He just took up over that rock right over there. So that very well could be the same coyote I've photographed before. So there's a trail, if you keep going following through this field, there's a trail that leads you across the creek into Rocky Mountain National Park. As I was heading back home one night, that coyote came right up this trail, and I'll put the photo up on the screen right now. He was literally within like 15 feet of me, but all right, well, he probably saw me coming. That's why he took off right up over that hill right there. But since he's got fresh meat, he's gonna be back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up. I still don't know where that carcass is. It's over here somewhere. And, okay, there's a crow. I see the crows flying up and down. I know exactly where it's at. Play the waiting game, because that's what wildlife photography is. so glad I bought this waterproof cover. I can sit out and shit like this and not worry about my camera getting messed up. It's not very easy to zoom. You got to open up the bottom to access the zoom control, but all your controls are right here, and you can lift this back up and still be pretty well covered. Zoomed all the way in here. 600 mils. At this high burst mode. It's on animal eye detect. Continuous autofocus. And we should be good to go. Get my coffee out. 'Cause I need that shit to survive. So that old timer, I can't remember his name. I'm brain fart. He's a good dude though. He's been here for years and years and years. I got to be kind of friends with him over the last few weeks, talking about wildlife and all the critters around here and landscape photography and stuff. And his buddy who showed me that video, he is actually the one that saw that bobcat down in town. So he's a good dude. Alright, I'll shut the fuck up now and wait for him to show up. Alright, I gotta get my binoculars out. This is too gnarly and I can't see that great with my own two eyes. I just got these binoculars. These are the Nikon Monarch 7s. Pretty amazing. 8x42s. I'm so glad I got these things. Alright. There he is. I see him. He's right over there. Them crows and those magpies are going nuts right now. I hope this carcass not only draws in the coyotes, but also the bobcats and the mountain lions, because there are mountain lions around here from what I've been told. Don't do tobacco, kids. It's a nasty habit. Damn, that snow is really coming down now. There he is. Oh, fuck yes. He's moving. He's coming right down that road there. He's circling around, back around to the carcass, it looks like. So the stables are right there in front of me, probably, I don't know, 150 yards or so. Looks like he's doing one big loop around. See, I might take 200 shots of one animal, and maybe 5 of them will be in focus. When they're moving like this, it's hard to get a shot, for sure. All right. Just leave my Alright, packing shit here. There he is. Damn, he saw me. There he is. There he is. He is protecting that fucking carcass. He's by that tree right there. I gotta keep moving over here. Holy shit. He is ripping that apart. Alright, he's on the move again. He's looking right at me. I can't get a shot of him from where he's at right now. I gotta bring my ISO up a little bit. The snow tends to play tricks on the camera. Oh, he's right there. Damn, I can't spot him in the viewfinder. Oh, there he is. Holy shit, he is ripping that thing apart. I'm gonna videotape this for you guys so you can see this footage. Let's see. There he is. He's in that brush right there. It's hard to get a good view of him. All that tall grass is blocking him. That's a good shot right there. I'm gonna change the focus point from wide to large so I can pinpoint him a little easier. That's awesome. Boy, get your head back up. Oh, there he is. Damn, I just saw him lift that thing up off the ground. Switch back to video. See if he comes back through here. Damn. I think he's just over this hill right here. We want a little privacy to start feeding on that thing. Alright, well, he'll be back for sure. I think I'm going to take this opportunity while he's away from the carcass to get even closer to it so that when he does come back, hopefully I'll get some closer shots. All right, that carcass is right over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up right here so I can get him if he's coming back from this way, and the carcass is right there. All right, I'm gonna go get my shit. Damn, I shouldn't have took that glove off. This hand is freezing now. Let me get the hand warmers out. Oh shit, balls. All right. Yeah, look at that shit. It's just frozen, just sitting there like that. This. I'm surprised he's here by himself. Actually, I shouldn't be surprised. I thought he might have told his friends or started howling, but he's probably trying to keep it to himself. Get all the good shit before his buddies start finding out about that carcass. He killed the thing. He should get first dibs anyway. All right. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go try to find a blood trail and then go check out that carcass and then call it a day. I'm gonna let that carcass rest a couple days, or at least a day, and then come back. No, that's not his tracks. That's an old track right there. I think he came up a little farther up here. It's hard to tell which is fresh and which isn't because it's been snowing so hard the past hour. You can see tracks all through here. Yeah, he brought that hunk of meat right up over this hill. Is when I lost him. And if you keep following this down, there's a trail that goes through there, and down that valley is Glacier Creek. There he is right there. Holy shit, there he is right there. He bolted. Fuck. He went right down that fucking trail. Oh shit. That is fucking cool. Alright, let's go check out this carcass. There it is, right there. Let's see how bad they mangled this thing up so far. If you got squeamish stomach, go ahead and turn this video off right now. Oh, that's a baby. Damn. Yep, got a baby one. Look at all that fresh blood right there. This is for the gut pile, probably. I usually take the liver and the heart first. Yeah, see, he ripped the whole backside of the body off and bolted with it. Well. All right, boys and girls, inside dry finally. Roscoe's going nuts. As you can see outside, the weather turned pretty fucking bad. It's a straight up blizzard out there. And I want to apologize for the ending of that video. My GoPro battery died, but it's the nature of the beast with those GoPro batteries. They kind of suck. But we got some good footage. Not every time I go out I get to see something like that, so every time I do, it's very special. Mother Nature is brutal. Nature is brutal in general. Things have to die for others to live, and that's just the nature of the beast. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of these POV videos, leave a comment down below, and we'll film some more of these this winter. Till next time, this is your boy IB Tat. We'll hout you fuckers later.
All my bones are dislocated, I just keep on wondering.